So ayun, okay KGX, kumusta kayong lahat? Eh no, sakit to. Saktong-sakto yung guhit natin to, no? Rejected, no, 70. Boom! Biglang lagalag, oh. Ayun. So ngayon, nakuha yung support natin na 66, 550. So, break siya. So, possible, pwede pang bumaba to. Ito na yung candle natin, no? Pero still, ang support natin dito, 65,100. Okay? Tapos 64,300. And then magiging resistance natin ulit si 66,550. Okay? So, ba't ganun? Ba't na bumabalik? Anong nangyayari? So, ayan siya. No? Kaya yan ang napaka-importante kapag gumuguhit, no? So, nakikita mo talaga kung saan ka magtitipi at kung saan ka papasok. 'Di ba? So, yan yun. Okay, and then balik tayo kay Hamster Combat. So, Watchers Guru, sabi dito, Bitcoin, no? Nakuha niyo yung 70,000. Kaya lang, doon din bumagsak. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ng retest yan. Baka umangat ulit yan dito sa area na to at susubukang i-break si 70,000. Pero, pwede rin bumaba yan ng 65,100 mga lodi. Okay? So, Hamster Combat, ito na, no? So, sabi dito, we've received a lot of comments about the new playground section and we want to address them. First thing first, no, participation in various activities will impact the amount of token received in upcoming airdrop, not the fact of distribution itself. All players but not bots will receive the token. No? All of the token received in the upcoming airdrop, not the fact of distribution itself. All players but not bots will receive the token. Wow! We also want to clarify that no section of the game is mandatory to play. No, the game philosophy does not enforce participation in any activity. The goal of introducing new features like a playground is to even out the chance for new players and players with different gaming styles to earn their share of token. No, the only mandatory part to receive your token is to connect your Ton wallet to your profile. O yun ha, sabi nilang ganon, kailangan daw i-connect nyo yung wallet nyo sa Ton. No, baka mamaya meron pang hindi nakakonect sa inyo dyan. Baka mawala kayo ng airdrop. Pero meron ako nabasa dito, sabi dito. And now, to the part that you've been asking the most, the airdrop, we are actively working to make it happen. So, July 30 na. No, July 31 na bukas. So, tingnan natin kung makukuha to. No? Pero sabi nila, wino-workout nila na matupad to, no? Wino-workout nila, no, na matupad to. Pero wala silang sinabi na make it happen this month. Walang ganon. So baka make it happen by August, parang ganyan, di ba? So yan yung sinabi nila. Keep in mind that this is a very complex technical task for all the platforms involved since Hamster Combat is one of the biggest project in the industry and can be the biggest airdrop in the history. Di ba? Can be, no? Sabi nga, can become the biggest airdrop in the history. Di ba? So kung naalala nyo, Axie Infinity, lahat ng merong coin ng AXS noong 2018, di ba? Tapos nag-airdrop ng 2021. 2018, tapos nag-airdrop ng 2021. So, 2019, 2021. 3 years ang tinagal, no? Pero, ang AXS nun is nasa 8,000 pesos, mga lods. No? Halos karaniwan nung nabagsakan ng airdrop that time. Ayun, nagkaroon ng kotse. Okay. This presents potential overload for the network involved in the process. We value you very much, no? And we want the airdrop to be carried out as smoothly as possible for every single one of you. Every single one of you! Antindi nito. Sureball na sureball yung airdrop. Baka halos lahat mabigyan, pera lang yung bot. And so that everyone can receive their token. Right now, we are closely working with the Ton blockchain team to develop the most efficient technical solution for our airdrop. So, hindi tuloy ang airdrop, I think, this month. Pero, ang dami nilang pangako. Okay? Napakarami nilang pangako. So, check niyo yan, mga lodi, para at least, di ba, makita natin kung anong mangyayari. Okay? makita natin kung ito ba ay talagang the biggest airdrop in the history. Di ba? So, check natin lahat yan. And then, laro lang ako. Totally, ina-enjoy ko lang yung game. Okay? So, syempre, tingnan natin kung ito ba ang kanilang, okay, ito yun. So, 12 million followers. So, dito natin nakita yan. Okay, saludo sa lahat KGX. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.